Hi guys, I'm Soumya Rao. I hope you're all doing well. So Haleem season around the corner, and the Haleem festivities has already begun at Cafe Triple Five, which is already very famous for Haleem. And Cafe Triple Five is launching their new Nali Gosh Haleem, and I was super excited when I actually heard about it. And I came here today and I've tried it, and it is mind blowing because of the meat, ingredients, essence, everything. We all know that Cafe Triple Five never compromises in anything coming to meat, coming to ingredients, quality, quantity, offers, pricing, they have it all. So the best pricing, the best quality Haleem, you get it at Cafe Triple Five. So this Haleem season, don't forget to try their signature Haleem at Cafe Triple Five. So being a Hyderabadi, the relationship between me and Haleem is like never ending and everlasting. So I always wait for Haleem throughout the year because it's so yummy, dude. And Cafe Triple Five's Haleem is the best, trust me. I eat here like every year, every Haleem season. I do not miss eating at Cafe Triple Five. So don't miss eating at Cafe Triple Five. Head on to Cafe Triple Five this Haleem season.